Hello guys, so welcome to KO Tutorials. So let's continue with the next part of this tutorial. So let's get started. So as you can see over here, we have started with the lighting of this particular kitchen over here. So as you can see over here, we have added some lights over here. So there are some lights coming from a window, and also I have added some lights over here. Now what I'll be doing over here is like, I'll go into this, let's go into rendering, go into render setup, and we'll do some render settings over here. So we can make some changes over here. Use local subdivisions. I'll increase it. Lock noise pattern, GA environment, I have increased it. Alright, so these settings are all okay for now. So again I'll select this over here. Into that we can add a map over here. So I'll just go into this, and before that I'll slightly make it a bit towards white over here, and let's render it once again because that was looking more towards the yellowish over here. This looks okay, and if you want you can go into the material and change the color of the wall if required. So we can make it a bit darker if needed. So let's go over here. We can go into this and we can make it a bit a darker color to the wall. Let's render it once and see. Oh, it's very dark. Now let's render. You can slightly change the color. Okay, this looks a bit better. And if you want to make it more lighter, you can go with it. But this is okay. So again, I'll select this light. I'll select this light and I'll take a V-Ray sky over here. Let's render it once and see. It's going more towards a whitish color. I can increase the multiplier. Let's go into the material again, and I'll go into this and I'll give a bit of color correction. Add over here slightly. Let's render it once again. Okay, this looks a bit better. Slightly increase its brightness over here. So make sure you are rendering it fully, then only you will get to know the reflections and everything. So it's very important that you fully render it first. Alright. This looks a bit better. If it is looking flat, we can add something over here. So I can just add so I'm just keep on selecting this. Alright. Let's select this. So let's go into the material. And let's give some color to it. Let's assign it. So let's again go into the camera view and let's render it once. Alright, now this looks a bit better. So that was looking a bit flatter. So we have added, so this looks, the lighting is perfect. If you want to add one light, let's save the file once. Let's again go into this and slightly I'll off this and add one light right from this direction. Okay, this looks a bit better, and you can make this multiplier a bit 3 and off this cast shadow. Okay, you're not activating cast shadows for all, only for few of the lights we can activate that, and even you can just clear this if needed, then that is also okay. Alright, we can add a Vray environmental fog if required, and we can just render this whole thing. and see it. Alright. So guys, if any doubts, please put it in the comment section over here. So please like and subscribe my YouTube channel if you're not subscribed yet. So we'll continue the rest of the part in the coming tutorial. So we'll just render this whole thing and see. So thanks for watching this tutorial.